Alright, so help me out. If you guys know how to do this, which I was hoping you would do while I was getting your paper, well, we did it, so let's do it now. What's up? What do I do here? Can we take a power of a power, people? Power of a power. Ladies. Shh. Power of a power. What are we doing? Power of a power. What do we do? Look up here. Look up here. What's it say?
Can't read it.
Can't read it. Do you remember what we did?
Looks like it says melt and malt.
Malt. Good. What's malt mean? Does anyone have a clue? You're in a math class. Malt.
No.
What would malt mean? A clue on malt. Like multiply. Malt. Right? Do I have to write the whole word? Multiply? Okay, I will. Come on, people. We multiply the powers. Okay? So what is 3 times 2? What's 3 times 2?
Yes.
2 times 3.
What?
2 times 3.
5.
6. Right? So we have a given. Then we have the exponent rule. Right? But we can't just give it to one of them. There is a 1 right here on that 5. Okay? So what is 2 times 1?
Yeah.
2. So that means you have 5 to the second power. So now you have to do another exponential function. And what is 5 squared? 5 times 5.
10.
No.
Whoops.
That's what I said, 25.
25. There you go. Alright? Now,
Who said that wrong?
what are we going to do when they take a power times a power? What do we do?
Malt.
No, that's a power of a power. Power times a power. What did we do over here? What is this symbol?
Plus.
Plus? Yeah.
No, wait.
Which means 2. What's plus mean?
That's my favorite number.
Right? I believe you. Because plus means to add, people. Oh. Holy cats. Are you serious right now? This is not good. Alright. Sorry, that's really bad. Plus means to add. Alright. So we're going to add 0 and 2. What's 0 plus 2?
2.
Okay. So then I have 2 as my exponent, right? But then I also want to take 3 times 3, which is what?
9.
9. Good. So that is, we're doing the exponent rule and the multiplication division from left to right. Okay? Alright, and that's done. What about this step? Now we're going to do that step in the bottom, right? So what is 0? Now what's the exponent here? If you don't see one, what's the exponent? What's the exponent if you don't see one? I'm going too fast. You guys didn't know that adding was from a plus sign. I think I'm like super speed if that's how far back we are right now. I'm like, ooh, zoom. They call me zoom. Alright, come back to me. If you don't see any kind of power, what's the power? Come on.
Are we not going to add?
Yes, we are going to add. Thank you. But there's a 1 there. There's a 1. Okay? If you don't see anything, there is a 1. Okay? And yes, we are going to add those 2 powers.
Ooh, that's right.
So, you got 4m over, what's 2 times 3? 6. And then, so that's your multiplication division from left to right. And what was your exponential function that we had to do? What's 1 plus 0? 1, right? Okay. All right, so now what? What do we do when we're dividing? What do we do to the powers? When we're dividing, what do we do to the powers? What's this sign mean? This, you know, What's that sign mean? Come on, somebody.
Minus.
Minus. Yeah, I was gonna say it, but I was hoping you would know. Right? So we're gonna subtract. Now, what is the power? I just said this like 3 minutes ago, maybe 2. If you don't have one, what is the power?
Oh,
If there's nothing up there, what's the power?
1.
1. Okay? So if we're subtracting, we're going to do the biggest one. So what's bigger, 1 or 1? Right?
Neither.
Neither. So we're going to choose the top one, right? We're going to say 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So they cancel each other out, guys. It's gone. And so what are we left with? We need to do multiplication division from left to right. And what goes into 4 and 6? What number goes into 4 and 6? 2. How many times does 2 go into 4?
2.
2.
How many times does 2 go into 6?
4.
Come on.
I think.
Wait, what?
3.
3. There you go.
What you say?
How many times does 2 go into 6? Help me help you. All right.
It's like secretly calling out the helper.